Guys, my name is Arno Jaggi. I'm with Team Voltemort 10357 from FTC, and today we'll be showing you how to do uploads and imports and exports from Fusion 360 CAD tutorial. So let's get started. Last video I talked about this briefly. I mentioned that if you press upload, you get to this screen right here, and I said we mention it in a later video, so here it is. So basically what you want to do is you'll want to press select files over here, and obviously right now I don't have anything to select because I haven't downloaded anything, but basically once you select a file you'll be able to upload it. So I'm just going to press cancel and go to Google Chrome, and I'm just going to go to Servo City, and I'm going to go to structural components, channel, standard channel, and it's this one. And basically, you just want to scroll down, go to resources, and just download this file right here. Once it downloads, you want to click on the arrow, say show in folder, and then here it is. So I'll just right click this, oh my goodness, and usually I'd be able to extract it, but in this case I don't see that, so I'm just gonna open it and press uncompress. So now here it is. It's not a zip file anymore. So now I can go back to Fusion 360, go back to upload, select files, and I have to see what it's called.
Let's cut this part out.
I don't know what it's called. I don't know why it doesn't appear at the top.
Oh, okay. Go back to Fusion. And then,
What's the thing called? What's the name?
where'd you download it?
I got it.
Download
I
it.
almost saw it.
Oh, okay.
58544.
Yeah, so then, okay.
Should I restart the recording?
No, I can cut it out. 58, 5.
Okay, so here it is. It's right here. So I'll just click on this, and I double clicked it, and it's right here. And so I'll just press upload right here. So while this is uploading, it'll take a minute. What you want to do is, so I have an open design right here under CAD tutorial, and basically what I'm gonna do is before you actually drag anything and insert it into the drawing that you have, you'll want to save it. So I'll just press Control S, and I'm just gonna call this CAD underscore tutorial underscore import. Press save. There it is. And now I can actually drag this. You see, I just want to drag and hold that. Basically, you just want to right click this and click insert into current drawing. Perfect. And you can just hit OK here. And one of the other things you saw me do is I double click this and it opened it right over here. And so basically the feature of this is like the raw design. So any changes that you make here will automatically, like the Fusion 360 will tell you to update your reference frame. So I'll show you that right here. So if I just say this and I just drag it, if I just press M right here and I just move it out, I just click on this, press M and press move, just like that, hit OK. And so now it disappears. And basically, the point of this was to show you guys that now when I hit save, it's okay, and go back to this design that I have, I get this yellow triangle with an exclamation mark. And basically, it says it's out of date, so you'll just click it, right click it, and you'll just go to get latest. And it updates, and just like that. And now we'll be going over how to export this. So let's say you've already finished your CAD design, everything like that, and now you want to export it. There are two different ways that I do this. The first one is the file. You can just go to file and hit export. Or the second thing that I find more useful in FTC competitions is if you want a top, front, and right view. So I'll just go to top right here, go to file, and go to capture image. And then you can just hit OK over here. Tutorial input 1. I'll save it as a JPEG. And now you can actually change where you want to save it. So if you click this one, it will take you to a different thing, and you can actually decide where you want to save it. I'm already in under download, so I'll just save it here, just like that. And then you can just do the same exact process with the front and right view. Thanks for watching, guys.